Well, welcome to third episode. This is the one where we really start doing some of the destruction here on our 1979 Ideal camper trailer. It's a 22-footer. Well, thought we'd have damage from water, and sure enough, we do. It's severe damage at that. So, know exactly what we're going to have to do. We're going to have to completely pull all of this out and put in new plywood here. So, again, lots of areas of water damage up here. We got, I guess at one time those were either shelves or they were some kind of seating up here. Had a couple of little ledges. We got both of those out tonight. Back around here, looks like water heater may still be in pretty good shape as well. Again, looking at the floor, this is just the stuff that was glued down when they put the linoleum in, but for the most part, most of that's coming up. Some water spots along the way, but nothing with the damage like we saw up front. So how much came out of it without even pulling the floor out yet? Quite a bit. There you go. It's yeah, say hi. It's our 1979. We're doing it for her. It was her idea. 1979 Ideal 22-foot camper trailer, and day 3 of destruction. So see you next time.